we tell people when we're encouraging you to be prepared by taking a little time to investigate a restoration company to determine whether or not they might be the right fit for you, so that in the event that the loss occurs, you have the number already to call. The time to try to determine which restoration company you want to work with is not after that loss. I promise you, you'll be overwhelmed with too many other details, and unfortunately, you get the least amount of attention on selecting the restoration contractor, and that could be a really detrimental outcome for you.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.